Back with another tutorial. This is a latest and unique tutorial. I am going to discuss about Joy-Con tester. It is really game. It's just for the controller. If you are a gamer user, gamer lover, and you are planning to test your Joy-Con test, or you can try to drift Joy-Con stick drift test and diagnostic tool. Stop gazing while your character is moving on its own. Whether you are searching for a Joy-Con tester or a Joy-Con drift tester, this professional grade diagnostic detect micro drift dead button and sensor failure instantly. I will show up you my screen and you will be able to see the tool I am discussing, and this is a really interesting tool for all of my audiences. So first of all, I would like to intro about the tool. That does this tool detect Joy-Con drift, leave the stick untouched and watch the natural value. Okay, if the expected 0.10, you have confirmed drift value between 0.05 to 0.10 indicate early where the sound should be monitored. For official warranty evidence, any substance reading over 0.14 is considered a hardware failure. Okay, so how you can claim Nintendo warranty for Joy-Con drift? Nintendo warranty offer a free repair program for a Joy-Con drift in North America, the EEA and the UK. Even if your console is outside the standard 1-year warranty, to start your claim, you need documented evidence that the hardware is failing. When you run this test, if your exit value sit consistently above 0.10, take a screenshot of the result. This number is industry standard for confirmed drift. You can visit Nintendo support site to open a Joy-Con repair ticket. Mention that you have diagnostic data showing substance and all of the things you will do yourself. You can do all the standard requirements. Okay, first of all, how you can test your Joy-Con controller. I will show you up my screen that there I mention all the steps one by one. Okay, Joy-Con, connect your Joy-Con, then press any button, move stick, test trigger, test motions, test HD rumble and review latency. Okay. This tool is basically for all of the game lovers, and there I mentioned the FAQ and other things you need while you are testing your Joy-Con. Okay, this is really interesting video for all of my audience, my friends, and one of my friends request me to make a tutorial video and show up that tool that I am using and recommend my audience. Okay, let me show you my screen where I am using the tutorial tool that you will like. Okay, this is the tool I mentioned in the video, and you can test yourself. Here are the options how you can connect by Joy-Con. Press any button, move stick, test trigger, test motions, and test HD rumble, review latency. Okay, this is a sample image I mentioned here, and you can test your X left and left Y, right X and right Y. So you will see the real test diagnostic model, what buttons you required, test trigger. Okay, one by one you can do yourself. This is the image just for understanding. Joy-Con versus Switch Pro controller comparison. Okay, there are the features you can read and you can understand each and every. You can even merge the prices per Joy-Con and test time durations with warranty. Okay, this is the proper tutorial I mentioned. I will mention the tool link in the video description. You can easily follow up and try to test other professional hardware tool at your own. So there are up to 5 plus more tools you will require: stick drift, their zone test, input lag, vibration, trigger test, celebrations, keyboard test, mouse test, and button test. Is your Joy-Con ready for action? Then you can click on here and you can directly go up and connect your test controller. So this is a simple tutorial I made. We'll meet in another video. That's all for now. Thank you for watching.